Hi everyone, trying to send files to your USB drive and you get the error. The file is too large for the destination file system. This usually happens when you want to send files that are over 4 GB in size and the drive is formatted to FAT32. So in this video I'll show you how you can convert the file system to NTFS without formatting the USB drive. To do that, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type the command exactly as you see in the screen. Make sure to replace D with the drive letter of your USB drive. Now if you get an error that the volume is in use by another process, simply press Y and hit enter to continue. And wait for the conversion process to complete. Once done, simply close the command prompt window. Go to the properties of your USB drive and you will see that the file system has been successfully changed to NTFS. Now when you send files over 4 GB to your USB drive, you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.